Canceling Mint Mobile. In today's video, we are going to learn how to cancel Mint Mobile plan. So let's get started. To cancel a Mint Mobile plan, you can either port your number to a new carrier which automatically cancel your Mint account, or you can turn off auto-renewal to let the plan expire. If you cancel within 7 days of activation, you may be eligible for a full refund by completing the refund request. So let's get started with the method number 1. To port your number to a new carrier, contact your new carrier and start the process to transfer your number. Do not cancel your Mint Mobile service beforehand or you may lose your phone number. The next method is turning off auto-renewal. This method will not provide a refund for any remaining time on your current plan. You just have to log into your account on the Mint Mobile website or in the application. Here, navigate to your account settings and turn off the auto-renewal option. Once done, your service will continue until your current plan renewal date, at which point it will expire. Method number 3, you can request a refund within 7 days of activation. This method is only applicable if you purchase your plan directly from Mint Mobile and are within 7 days of activation. Complete the refund request form on the Mint Mobile website. You can receive a full refund including taxes and fee, but you are not required to return the SIM kit for a refund for this Mint Mobile policy. If you have an unused SIM card which is not activated, you may be able to return it for a refund within 10 days of purchase, as long as it is in original unopened packaging. And that's all. That's how you will be able to cancel your Mint Mobile plan.